sent to me to thank you for taking the time to check out my project. I'm launching my own coloring book on my trip to become a business girl. Here it is. So, anyways, here's how it all started. I have always loved drawing as long as I can remember. Here's a picture of toddler me already doodling. And as I got older, my love of drawing just kept growing. I'd practice every single day and I'd just keep drawing. I was determined. And also, my mom realized how much of a behemoth of art I was creating. And so she decided, I can't dispose any of this. I'm gonna be her #1 fan, and along with Dad, of course, he's also my #1 fan. They're both of my #1 fans, but mostly my mom, who couldn't bear to dispose literally any of my art. She would box them, she would scan them, she would keep them in little files on her computer. And heck, she even started my own YouTube channel and a website, just so that she could archive my art and my progress. Thank you, Mom. I love you. It's only around a year ago that I found a cause for my drawings. It all started when so many calamities were happening because of the string of storms. I wanted to do something. Then I realized, hey, I'm an artist. I do art. I have a lot of art. I could make a coloring book. So many artists are already making their coloring books. So I decided, I can make my coloring book and use it to raise money to help the world. Finally, I have a cause for my art and I am more inspired and happy because of it. And I have all the art selected for my coloring book. I draw, you color. Ayy! So, here is our first part in the series of I Draw, You Color. I hope that a lot of kids and young at heart enjoy coloring my coloring